I think this liquid lipstick is very overhyped, to be honest. Oh my god, I think I applied a lot. Hi guys, in this video we are going to be doing a full face of nothing new, and I'm going to be showing you a fall makeup look that I have been doing a lot lately. This is also the makeup look that I had in the ASOS Beauty Advent Calendar unboxing. I'm gonna link that video in the description box below. So the original idea of this series is by Ali Glines or Glines, and she's one of the YouTubers that I'm watching a lot, especially when I'm stressed. I'm gonna link her video with the fall makeup tutorial that she has done a few days ago. The idea of this video is to use what products you already have. Also, a lot of the products that I'm gonna use today are my favorites. Let me know in the comments what are your favorites for fall. I'm gonna start off with this primer here. This is the My Skin Perfector Tinted Primer by Essence, and I have it in the shade 20 Nude Beige. This is one of my favorite primers, especially when I don't want to use a lot of foundation. It is very thick, I know. The texture of it is like a mousse. It is very spreadable, so don't be afraid of this thickness. And I'm just applying this all over my face. If you want a very natural makeup look, you can also use this by itself without any foundation. For foundation, I'm gonna use the L'Oreal Age Perfect BB Cover. This one is in the shade Light Ivory 01. I have done a full day review of this one and the wear test. I'm gonna link it in the description box below so you can see how it looks. I was getting some comments like this is not for your age, but this looks amazing. It also has hydrating serum and SPF 50. I think if you like a product, you can use it whatever is your age. I'm pressing with my sponge all over my face. Usually I'm starting on the jawline because I have more discolorations that I want to cover. You can see the coverage and it looks so healthy on the skin. I love the finish of this foundation. And the sponge that I'm using is by Catrice. It is from a limited edition collection Dr. Blair, but I think that you can still find this one. Oops! Oh my god. I got some on my trousers. Okay. And I'm gonna use a little bit more just on the areas that I need more coverage. I forgot to zoom you in, sorry. The concealer that I have here is the Total Coverage Concealer by BH Cosmetics, and I have it in the shade 104, and this is a very underhyped concealer. I love using it. It has a great coverage. You can find it in so many colors. The only thing that I don't like is that we have a plastic applicator. I never use it on my eyes, and I'm gonna apply just a little bit on my hand. I'm gonna press it underneath my eyes with my fingertip. Oops, I think I applied a lot. Okay, we're gonna blend it out. I'm also using some on the eyelid. As you can see, I have a lot of redness and veins. This is a little bit too yellowy for my foundation, so let's blend it out with the side that I have used my foundation. And I'm also gonna use some on the other side. Also a little bit on the forehead and on the sides of my lips. Now I'm pressing with my sponge everywhere to blend the concealer and the foundation a little bit more. To lock everything in place, I'm gonna use this powder by Too Faced, and this is the Born This Way Ethereal Setting Powder in Translucent. And this is how it looks. Every time that you're setting your foundation, you can always touch with the back of your fingers so you can see if it is still sticky. If it is and you don't want that, you can apply more powder. The brush that I'm using is by Profusion, and this was in the Advent Calendar of 2019, last year's. In that one we got 4 brushes and all of them are very good. I have been using them a lot. I'm also gonna use some on the eyes. As you can see, the concealer has creased, and first of all I'm blending very lightly with my fingertip, and with a brush I'm pressing very lightly. This one is an eyeshadow brush by NARS. I got it from last year's Advent Calendar as well. It doesn't look like an eyeshadow brush, so I like using it for setting my concealer with powder. With this powder you can give a mattifying finish to your foundation, but if the foundation is illuminating, at the end of the day you're gonna have a healthy glow. To contour my face, I'm gonna use the Clean ID Mineral Bronzer SPF by Catrice Cosmetics, and I have it in in the shade 10 Light Medium. This one is a matte bronzer that I use for contouring. This is how it looks. And Catrice Cosmetics has a lot of clean beauty products now. I have done a video about them if you want to check it out. And with the brush 109, I'm taking some of the product. I like diffusing this one on the top of the cheekbones, on the forehead, and also on the jawline. This one is super blendable. It gives a very nice warmth to the skin. I think I applied a lot. With a smaller brush, I'm taking the same product. And with this one, I'm gonna define the sides of my nose. Oops. That's a lot again. We're going to blend it out. Don't worry. And the brush that I'm using is by BH Cosmetics number 7. I think it looks better now. After that, I'm gonna use this blush here. This is by Maybelline, the Fit Me blush. And this one is in the shade 35 Corail. For this one, I'm using a BH Cosmetics brush. This is number 2. And let's take some of the product. I also like using some on the bridge of the nose. It gives a very youthful finish. Oh my god, I think I applied a lot. Okay. You know, it looks very light, but it's not, so be careful. To highlight my face, I have here the Becca Shimmering Skin Perfector in the shade Moonstone. The letters are so small for this product. You can find this one in a lot of shades. I'm gonna be using this brush by BH Cosmetics. It is in the same collection. This is number 4. And let's take some of this one. This is one of my favorite shades. I think it looks very nice for my skin tone. I'm also using some on the temples and on the cheekbone, a little bit on the tip of the nose, also on the bridge. This highlighter blends super easily on the skin. It is very soft as well. I'm taking the previous face brush that I have used for the bronzer and I'm blending everything together in big circular motions. I forgot I was saying that. The next step is something that I don't usually do, but lately I like using a setting spray after I'm finished with the face products. I have here the Cover FX Illuminating Setting Spray and I'm going to shake it a little bit. It has some very fine micro glitter. Time for my happy face. And this is the cute fun from the Essence collection. What's your fruit mood? It makes everything very natural. Usually setting sprays are not working for me to make my face makeup long lasting, so I like using them just to have a more natural finish. I have done my brows off camera. I have used the Maybelline Brow Slim Eye Pencil, brow pencil, and this is in the shade Deep Brown. I have also used the Wow Brow Mascara by e.l.f. in the shade Deep Brown. I have a brow tutorial on my channel if you want to check it out. You can find it in the description box. I want to apply a little bit of lip balm. This is the Wanna Be My Honey All Over Balm. This one has natural oils and it is by Essence. Let's open this, and with a spatula I'm gonna take just a little bit because this is very spreadable and I have so much left, but you can also use it on your body, so okay. This one has the most amazing honey scent, so good. It's not artificial at all. This is from the Trend Edition Wanna Be My Honey. That collection has a lot of nice products. The palette that I have been using a lot lately is this one by Catrice Cosmetics. This is the Reach Up for the Sunrise 18 color eyeshadow palette, and this one has warm tones, so these are the colors. I haven't done any tutorials with this palette, but I like using it a lot for everyday eye looks. Usually before starting filming any unboxing videos, I'm using this one because it is very easy. I'm taking the eye blender brush by Essence and I'm gonna start off with eyeshadow explosion. With this one I'm going in the crease area. And you can see it gives that amazing fall color. It blends so easily with 2 swipes. With a smaller brush, this is the blending brush by Wet n Wild. We don't have a number. And with this one here, I'm gonna take eyeshadow reflection. I'm gonna blend this in the crease area as well. It gives a peachy color and goes very well with the previous shade. Super nice. You think that it's not gonna make a lot of difference, but you can see now. Nice. And I'm trying to keep the color closer to the eyelid and without any product on my brush, I'm just blending the edges. I'm taking another blending brush by Profusion, and it is a little bit smaller so you can see you can do a more precise work with this one here. This was in the advent calendar of last year's. So with this one I'm taking this shade here. It is called Tan, and now I'm defining only the outer eyelid and outer crease, so I can define my shape a little bit more because especially this eye is more hooded. If I don't do this step, my eyes are looking very puffy, and all of the shades blend so easily into each other. Ooh, that looks nice. And after that I'm taking eyeshadow Explosion and Reflection, this one here, with a small brush by Luxie. This is the 141, and I'm going to buff that out in the lower part of the eye. And after that I'm also taking this shade here, the Tan eyeshadow. The next step is to wipe off any additional product, and then I'm going over the edges with the same brush, and this is gonna give a very soft look to the lower part of the eye. With an eyeshadow brush by Essence, I'm gonna take eyeshadow Firefly, this one here, yeah, this one, and I'm going to press this all over the eyelid except the outer part, and to intensify the sheen a little bit I'm taking some with my fingertip and I'm just pressing lightly. Of course you can also leave it like this, it is looking softer and more wearable, but I love very shiny eyeshadows. For this eye I'm always like very careful because I'm not left-handed. Okay, I think it looks okay. Blend the edges without additional product. With the same Luxie brush, I'm taking the golden eyeshadow and I'm going to highlight the inner corner. I'm also using some to highlight my brow bone, just a little bit. Usually this is the first step of my eyeshadow looks, but I forgot. So I don't want to mess with all of the beautiful shades in the crease. I'm going over the edges with the first brush. This eyeshadow palette came out in a summer collection, but I think it is perfect for autumn and very nice fall eye looks. What do you think? Let me know in the comments if you have a favorite fall eyeshadow palette. Something maybe with this color story. Now it's time for eyeliner, and I'm a little bit afraid to use this product, but this is what I have used in that video as well, and this is the Sigma Liquid Pen Eyeliner. Practice makes best, wish me luck. The applicator is very soft, however it's not flexible and it's not very easy to create a thin line along the lashes, and also I feel that I need to stretch my skin for this product because it's not applied smoothly. Let's pretend the lines are the same. After that I'm gonna use the Roller Lash Mascara by Benefit. This mascara defines my lashes into perfection. On the lips I'm gonna use this lip kit by Kylie Cosmetics. This is the collaboration that she did with her daughter and it is the Stormy collection. In this one we have a lip pencil and also a liquid lipstick. These are both in the shade Stormy. I'm removing a little bit of the lip balm that I applied before. I'm going to outline with the lip pencil and then I'm applying the liquid lipstick. About this lip kit I'm not so excited. I think this liquid lipstick is very overhyped, to be honest. You can find from the drugstore far better products and also for a fraction of the price. This is not super long lasting. It is fading throughout the day even if you're not eating. Also it looks like a mess after a couple of hours. It looks very crusty on the lips. If you want to try the products by the brand, I would suggest buying a mini lip kit like what I have done. I don't think these products are worth the money. The lip pencil is not bad, but the liquid lipstick is not the greatest. I think this is a very overhyped liquid lipstick. Also the formula is not very comfortable on the lips. It is one of those liquid lipsticks that you can feel them and it is completely transfer proof. That's good if you want to use it with your mask. Let me know if you want to see more fall makeup looks, maybe something with burgundy. You can find here more videos. If you like this one, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click on the notification bell, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!